Hey guys, it's Steph here with The Flower Fanatic. I wanted to get on here real quick. It's early morning and all of my kids are sleeping, so I thought it'd be the perfect time. It doesn't happen very often where it's pure silent and I can kind of just think clearly. It is going to be January soon, the new year, 2023, and I have a lot of fun things happening. I kind of want to update those with you and share them. I have some big news. I don't know if this is big news to some of you, but for me it is. I'm really excited, nervous. There's a lot of mixed emotions. It's all new to me, but my husband and I are going to be starting a landscape business. I'm really excited to have this creative outlet. We have been mentoring with a really great landscape designer. He's got a nice degree in this business. We've been working with him at the Botanical Center. He's just been really great and he's become a really good friend of ours. And then we're also mentoring with another man who's looking to retire. He's been in this business for about 30 years. So we are going to be learning a ton. I'm so excited to work with my husband. I'm hoping we can get along most of the time. If I need a break, if we need a break from each other, we hopefully will know when to do that. But we do have fun with each other, so it's going to be exciting. It's definitely a new experience. 10 years ago, I would have never imagined in a million years I'd be doing something like this. To be honest, I could hardly get out of bed. I've come a long way. I'm just really proud of where I am and the fact that I'm able to put myself out there and do something that is uncomfortable. So I mentioned that we're starting this landscape business because I am curious if you guys would be interested in us documenting this process, some of these projects that we do, or if you'd rather just watch my videos on my own yard, my own hobby gardens, things that I'm learning in my own environment. I know they both have very different feels to them. Let me know, comment down below. I'm gonna learn so much in this whole landscape design world. It's gonna be an eye-opening experience, so I can't wait. I am just so driven. I love challenges and I just can't get enough knowledge regarding gardening. I really value this channel. I love doing it, so please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Never done anything like this. Can't believe I'm doing it still. It gives me butterflies and also makes me so nervous. Sometimes at night I start to panic, start going so I can get used to this new industry. My own yard will always be my place of respite where I find the most peace and joy. I feel so blessed to have the yard that I do, but my front yard needs some structure. I've been wanting structure for almost 6 years now. It's kind of a blank slate at this point. I had a little island flower bed that I'm getting rid of. It's just kind of in no man's land. It's not really natural looking. It was kind of here when I moved in. I was trying to make it work, but I knew that I hated it. And so I've actually got rid of all the plants in there and I'm gonna put grass seed there this spring. So I'm actually gonna change the whole entire look of my front pathway. Right now it's curvy and leads to my driveway. So I'm actually gonna get rid of that one and create a brick pathway that leads to the road and another one that leads to the driveway so that it's kind of the focal point towards the house and neighbors and stuff can walk in there. But the brick is one of my favorite. I love brick. I've just painted my house white, so it is just a timeless look to me. And then I'm also hoping to put a rail ranch style fence all the way in front of my yard to break it up a little bit. It's just gonna be so pretty. It's gonna maybe create a sense of privacy, even though it doesn't necessarily have a lot of privacy because there are so many cars on my front road that are so busy and I just feel like they can see everything I'm doing all the time. They can, and I am kind of nuts out there, so they probably think I'm crazy. And then over time I can add some trees and stuff in front of that fence, but it's really gonna change the look of it. So excited, it's a big project. And then I can also put some gravel in the front. We have these biggest potholes. I feel so bad for the mailman and the Amazon drivers because when they go on my driveway, they don't realize that there's these dirt potholes and I've seen them just crash like, just bang like crazy and bounce. And every time I'm just like, oh, I've got to get that fixed. So that is going to be my big project in 2023 that I'm most excited for. It might take the entire year as we try to budget and save money month after month. Can't wait to see that transformation. And then I'm also just excited to tackle stock again and ranunculus because I started way too late in the game last year. I've got some low tunnels that I'm going to start putting in my boxes in January to start warming up the soil. Your New Year's resolutions regarding 2023 is not be as perfectionistic. Enjoy the gardening season more. I overdid it last year. I have an overdue personality. Raise your hand if that is you when it comes to gardening and just life in general. Just gonna take it a day at a time. If I feel tired, I'm gonna give myself a break. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. In my recent video on amaryllis bulbs, I told you I would update you as they started to come out. So one of my favorites is the apple blossom, and this is it. Let's take an up close and personal look at it real quick. Look how gorgeous this is. It has beautiful magenta pink throughout. So they haven't fully opened up yet. These ones just started to pop out. This has been out for about 5 days. So I said the bigger the bulb, they tend to have more blooms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on there. So that's really good. And then I have another one down here that's gonna shoot up a little bit later. Isn't this a stunning amaryllis bloom? It's definitely one of my favorites. And then the paper whites along with that bulb, it's just bringing me so much joy in my kitchen. So these I noticed stunk really bad at first, but they kind of come in waves. I haven't even noticed it since then. Guys, thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you in my next video, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.